3 days after armed Kuki militants carry out guns and bombs attack at villagers of Torbung and Paugakchau Ikai, targeting newly resettled internally displaced persons, security forces today carried out massive search operations at hills situated near Heirok in Tengnopal district. According to our sources, a team of security forces arrived at Heirok Kampu and Heirok Litan since early morning today, and later they deployed drones and started surveillance at adjoining hills that reportedly comes under Tengnopal district. A helicopter was also deployed to bring in more security forces personnel, and the combing operations began at around 8:30 a.m. in the surrounding hills. Security forces including Indian Army and CAPF have not issued any official statement regarding the combing operations, and details are awaited about the outcome of the result of the operation.